Capital Markets Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is preparing to implement same-day settlement of trades on the stock exchanges, commonly referred to as T+0 settlement, by the end of the current financial year 2023-24. Madhabi Puri Bukh, chairperson of SEBI, said at the Global Economic Policy Forum in Delhi's Bharat Mandapam. Currently, trades in India are settled in T+1 or 1 day after the trades are initiated. T+0 would mean settlements in the same day, and instant settlement would ensure trades are settled immediately. This isn't the first time that the market regulator has encountered this question. Last month, Bukh said SEBI wants the T+0 settlement norm to be in place from March end 2024 and T+ instantaneous settlement 12 months from there on. Bukh also added that the most asked question at IOSCO was how we manage T+1. It came from technology, co-creation, and eventually the trust in the system goes up. Maybe in January or February, we will have ASBA for the secondary market. It sits in your account, you will earn 4% on it, and only when the trade happens, the money will be debited.